Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to join the ICE Network Testnet or how to create your account on it. So first of all, you just have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and in the search bar you simply need to type ice.io. Once done, you will be landed on the official website of ICE Open Network. Now over here, in order to create your account, you need to hover over to testnet and then click on the wallet tab. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you can either create a new account or you can import the account if you already have one. So as you want to create our new account, so you will have to click on create my wallet option. Then it will show you that congratulations, your ICE wallet has been created successfully and now only you can control it. So here you need to press continue. Once you do this, you will be given 24 words which you need to write somewhere safely, because this will really help you to regain your account. So over here you just have to press continue once you have copied all these words at somewhere safe place. Then you just have to click on I am sure. Now for security reason, it will ask you to provide the words correctly. So in my case, I have to give the first, sixth and the 20th number. So let me just enter the details here and then you need to press continue. On the next page, it will ask you to create a strong password. So you just have to first enter your password and repeat your password and then press continue. Then it will say that you are ready to go as you have successfully created or set up your wallet. So you need to click on the view my wallet option and then it will show you that your wallet is created. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.